Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to connect Instagram with Facebook. There are the key benefits available when you link your Instagram account to a Facebook page. First, build customer trust. Second, schedule posts across platforms. Third, respond to message quicker. Fourth, get sharper insights. Fifth, run better ads. And sixth, open an Instagram shop. So, you have an Instagram profile and a Facebook page, but they are not linked. Now, let's fix that. To start, make sure you're an admin of the Facebook page you wish to connect. And if you haven't yet, convert to an Instagram business account. Then, follow this video. From Facebook, log in to Facebook and click Page in the left menu. Select your Facebook page, then click Settings or select Account Center. Then select Share Accounts. Select Instagram, then connect your account. From Instagram, log into Instagram and go to your profile. Tap Edit Profile. Then under Public Business or Profile Information, select Page. Now, choose the Facebook page you wish to connect. If you don't have one yet, tap Create a new Facebook page. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you then.